Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is extremely clearly a 1-2, and this is all a big wave 3. We did just break this previous high back here, and we did just hit a Fibonacci level, so maybe, just maybe the wave 3 is getting over, or maybe it's already over. If it is, then it needs to go down and make a wave forward. It probably needs to go up and make a wave 5 on the monthly time frame. So I personally think by the time this makes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, it's probably going to be anywhere from 6 months to maybe a year and a half before this uptrend actually is completely over on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a very impulsive move down this week, but did it ever make break structure? Did it ever make an engulfing move? Did it ever make a lower high? The trend is definitely still up based on all those questions, and I personally would still be looking for longs in an uptrend for sure. Going down to the daily time frame, same type of thing. That was a very big move down, but it never broke structure. It never really did anything at all to tell us that this downtrend or this uptrend is over and that we are now in a downtrend. I do think that we need to end the wave 3 and make a big wave 4 like I was showing on the monthly, but this trend is not proven to be over yet, so I personally am still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. Because if this is like a wave A or possibly even a wave 1, then this right here would be a crescent to that, like a wave B or possibly a wave 2. Then we would probably get a Fibonacci bounce with a nice break of structure, and it would go down for either a wave C or a wave 3. And I do think that is a very possible scenario. But based on what I see on the higher time frames, I'm looking for longs. I personally think this move down could have been just a bear trap, and I think it's more likely that it might just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, eventually going all the way back up to the previous highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very closely. If it makes like a double top with a breaker structure, I would definitely get out of my longs and I would go short for either a wave C or a wave 3 like I was explaining on the 4 hour. But if I don't see that picture, then I just see normal fib bounces, which normally happen no matter what, then I would not go short. If I do not see a fib bounce with a breaker structure, that is, I would just keep on going long at the end of every single pullback I see, especially on even shorter time frames than this. I personally think this big move down was actually a bear trap, and I think it's just going to keep on going up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.